There goes, well. Ah, dearie. I got me some magic stuff, some snake oil glue. Cheapest ships decided to sell it, so how good is this cheap stuff really? Thought it was a load of snake oil, but it actually does work. It's not as strong as they say it is on TV. Well, you know, it shows them gluing a piece of steel rope cable. They just touch the two pieces of steel cable together, and they can tow a car with it. That's a load of snake oil in itself. There's no way that's bloody possible. Actually, it does work. So what I decided to do, I made myself a new rod for this power button from a Sharp VZ2000 Boombox. The plastic didn't work, so I just a bit of grease here. The plastic piece I found one, but I didn't like how it was sitting. It wasn't very strong, so I decided to go with this idea. With this old pin, this nail here. This nail's perfect. Bit of sand, rough it up a bit. That should work perfectly now. It's quite strong. So I sanded it down, the file, so I got a flat edge to bond to. That seems to have fixed it actually. Give it time to cure with a UV light. You put the goop on. It smells kind of weird too. You put the clear stuff on, and it will not set hard unless you hit it with a UV light. Clever Fix liquid plastic formula instantly cures when activated by the light. Clever Fix is not a glue. The formula only bonds when you activate it using the included UV light. Waterproof, heat resistant, does and dries clear. Great for porous and non-porous surfaces. Well, this would be good for fixing terminal covers for my meters. So that'd be perfect for quick fixes like that. But I want it to fix up quick. Perfect for that, but see how this goes. I'm gonna have to file this down. It might be too long. I'm going to run some sort of a stuff on here to make this really smooth. It's pretty well, yeah, it's a bit friction on that. This has to be smooth because it slides along the button when you press this on this rocker. So I can probably modify that and make it really, really smooth and grease it up. Not 100% straight, but there's enough give in that in the Boombox for it not to jam up. Putting it in is going to be an issue though. I'm going to have to completely pull it apart again. So, yeah. I think this is pretty strong. Give it a quick. Don't want to put too much force on it though. There we go, just come off, see? It took a little bit of effort to do that, to get that off. You see, it took the actual, it took the dirt out of the porous part of the nail there. So it actually has got a bit of power to it. I made a little ledge, like an angle line, sort of I angled it with a file. So now it's got like a little cup shape it can sit in. So I made it into a cup shape so I can grab onto this rod nicely now. I'll set the flatter brazed edge in there like that. That feels better. I reckon that'll be more stronger now. Alright, let's put this curing stuff in. Oh, I put plenty in there this time, more than last time. I got a fair bit more than what I put last time, so just personally how you do it. Interesting stuff. Cures so bloody quick. Amazing stuff. Good for modelling actually if you want to set something quickly. Good retaining compound. Clever fix. That's better. See, it sits more straighter now. That's about exactly where the original plastic ones were too. So this thing should fit perfectly. I've filed the rough ends down, so if it's too long, I can always file it down a little bit. So yeah, it's in a vulnerable spot. So once I get this put back in the boombox, should be right. It's just getting the initially back together, putting the record player and everything back in, it hits it. It's in a nasty spot. That's one drawback of that boombox, is this power button in a very, very vulnerable spot. That's pretty much it. It's all set. Nice and strong. If I can touch that. Look at that. No, not even wet. Pretty good job. Now, once I can get that to secure nice and strongly and work reliably, these sliders are my next thing, my next goal. Find some more of those sliders, nice and cheap. Anyway, quite happy with that. It worked quite well. Thanks for watching.